The great thing about food coloring is you can combine colors to make different shades and colors. Knowing how to make red food coloring from pink is a great hack to have if you are ever out of red. Different types of food coloring. The most common type of food coloring is traditional liquid food coloring, and it is also one of the most affordable options. Also known as a liquid dye, it is commonly made with a synthetic dye added to a water base, and often comes in small squeeze bottles. Similar to liquid dye, liquid gel dye is made with synthetic coloring with a base of water, corn syrup, or glycerin. It is also sold in small drop bottles. However, the consistency is much thicker than traditional food coloring, so a little bit goes a long way. Gel paste dye is a concentrated food coloring that is a popular choice among professional bakers. Like liquid gel dye, it's made with synthetic coloring added to water, glycerin, or corn syrup base. It is sold in small pots or jars. Those looking to steer clear of synthetic additives can opt for natural food colorings. They are often made from fruits or vegetables like beets and carrots. Powdered dyes are made with synthetic color and don't contain any water, glycerin, or corn syrup. They are ideal for adding to foods like chocolate or macarons. What you will need to make red food coloring from pink. Ingredients: 1 cup vanilla frosting, 1/4 teaspoon pink food coloring, 5 drops black food coloring. Equipment: large mixing bowl, rubber spatula, measuring spoons. Step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Add frosting. Add your vanilla frosting to a large mixing bowl. Step 2. Add food coloring. Measure out 1/4 teaspoon of pink food coloring and add it to your frosting. Add in 5 drops of black food coloring. Using a rubber spatula, thoroughly mix in the food coloring, making sure it is combined all the way through. Step 3. Adjust as needed. If your frosting is not to your desired color yet, add a couple of drops at a time, mixing well after each addition, until you achieve the red color you want. You can also use this method for coloring batters, such as cakes or melted white chocolate. Tips and tricks. When working with food coloring, it is always best to start with less and add more as you need. This will help you get the exact shade you are looking for. You can combine pink food coloring with a few drops of black to create red. If you don't have black food coloring on hand, you can also combine beetroot powder with pink to achieve red. It is all natural and provides a nice red coloring when you add in 1/2 to 1 teaspoon. Food coloring can stain, so be sure to clean it off right away if it spills on any counters or clothing. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.